In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana task for a Google Doc deliverable and track your review process efficiently. To get started, open Asana and go to the project where you want to manage this piece of work. The goal here is to create one clear task that represents your Google Doc deliverable, so everything related to that document stays organized in one place. Create a new task and give it a name that clearly reflects the document you're working on. Choose a title that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you're managing several deliverables at once. Once the main task is created, the next step is to break the work into smaller parts by adding subtasks. These subtasks will act as your review checklist and help you track progress more precisely. For example, you might create subtasks such as outline, draft, proofread, and format. This is useful because instead of treating the document as one large task, you can see exactly which stage is complete and which stage still needs attention. It also makes collaboration easier if other people are involved in the review process. After your subtasks are in place, connect the Google Doc to the task so the file is always easy to find. You can do this by pasting the Google Doc URL directly into the task description box or by attaching the document using the Google Drive integration icon in Asana. Either option works well. Pasting the link into the description is quick and keeps the document visible right inside the task details, while the Drive integration can make the attachment feel a little more built-in and structured. The important thing is that anyone looking at the task can quickly access the correct document without needing to search for it elsewhere. As you work through your edits in Google Docs, return to Asana and check off each subtask as it's completed. For example, once the outline is finished, mark that subtask complete. Then do the same for the draft, proofreading, and formatting stages as you finish them. This creates a simple but effective workflow between Google Docs and Asana, allowing you to monitor progress in real time and keep your deliverable moving forward. By organizing the document as a task, adding a review checklist as subtasks, linking the file directly, and updating progress as you edit, you create a clean system that's easy to follow and easy to maintain. This approach helps reduce confusion,